Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about blanking and punching press working operations. So blanking is a press working operation where by using punch and die, we cut a specific shape from a larger sheet metal. The product is called as blank. This is blanking operation. The remaining part of the larger sheet metal is called as scrap, and the cutout portion which has been cut in a specific shape, that is called product, and more specific called as blank. And what is punching? Punching is similar to blanking, but there is a key difference. The difference is that the blank, the product is as called as scrap, and the remaining part of the larger sheet metal is called as product in punching. So in blanking and in punching, the product and the scrap getting interchanged to each other. So blanking is a manufacturing process in which a punch and die are used to cut out a specific shape known as a blank from a larger sheet of material. The blank itself is the desired product, while the remaining material is typically discarded as scrap. So this is the blanking operation. Here this is die and this is sheet metal, this is punch. When force is applied on the punch, a specific shape from the sheet metal getting cut out and we get the desired shape or the desired product. This is blanking operation. Here this is the product. This can be different in shape. This can be circular in cross section or rectangular cross section which we want to create. The shape depends on the die and on the punch. So here this part is product and the remaining sheet metal is called as scrap. So let's now discuss about punching. Punching is a similar process to blanking. This is similar process to blanking, but in this case the material that is removed, that is punched out part, is discarded as scrap, and the remaining sheet with the holes is the desired product. Punching creates holes or cutouts in the sheet material. So this is punching operation figured. So here this is die, this is sheet metal, and this is punch. When we apply force on the punch, the punch cut out a specific shape from the sheet metal, and the cutout portion is called as scrap. So this is scrap and this is our desired product. So this shape can be any kind of shape. So here we can see that difference between these two operations is very simple. The product in blanking operation is called as scrap in punching operation, and the product in punching operation is called as scrap in blanking operation. So this is blanking and punching. Hope blanking and punching is clear to you. Let's now discuss about differences between these two. First, depend on product versus scrap. In blanking, the cutout piece that is called blank is the desired product, whereas in punching, the remaining sheet with the holes is the product and the removed material is scrap. I discussed earlier. Next point is shape and size. Blanking usually produces larger, often complex shapes. So in blanking we are creating or we are producing larger and complex shapes, but in punching typically creates holes or small cutouts. So in punching we are creating holes or small cutout. When we are punching a paper with the punch machine, we create a circular small hole. This is called punching. Next, on material use. Blanking can be more material efficient when producing multiple small parts, as multiple blanks can be cut from the same sheet. So in blanking we can cut out multiple blank from a sheet metal, but in punching is used to modify an existing part by adding holes or features. So in blanking we are cutting particular shapes and we are getting more efficiency from the sheet metal. We are getting product like this type of product. But when we are punching on the same sheet metal, we are creating holes, and more holes are created, more scraps are producing. So punching is not very material efficient. So in the case of material efficient, blanking is more efficient than the punching operation. Let now discuss the applications of blanking and punching. First, the applications of blanking. Blanking is used to create different product in manufacturing such as coins, gears, washers and other flat shaped components that will be used in subsequent forming, machining or assembly processes. So we are creating the raw materials for coins, raw material for gears, raw material for washers and different flat object which can be used in different manufacturing or machining operations. Now, what are the applications of punching? Punching is commonly used to create different holes for fasteners like bolts or screws. We are creating washers for different bolts and different screws, ventilation openings and decorative features in sheet metal parts. So we are creating different types of holes in sheet metal, and that holes are used in different manufacturing process or different goods for our personal use. So these are the applications of blanking and punching operation. So blanking and punching is very similar to each other but little difference in products. So in this video I have discussed about blanking and punching press working operation. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.